Hi, my name is Isabel Castillo. In this video, I will pronounce 5 easy IPA sounds and I give examples for each one. The first, we have the sound is M. M. The examples we have is man, milk, and mother. The second we have is N. N. The examples we have is no, name, and nice. The third sounds we have is B. B. The examples we have is book, bag, and baby. The first sound we have is D. D. The examples we have is dog, door, and day. And finally, the fifth sound we have is T. T. The examples is tea, table, and tube. Thanks for watching.